Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In this video we will be going over how to declare installment payments. You want to declare any installment payments you made to the CRA throughout the current tax year to avoid double taxation for yourself or your client. Installment payments refer to any advance payments throughout the current tax year. To declare tax installments, select the Deductions section and locate the option labeled Other Tax Info. From there, choose Installment Payment. When prompted with the question, "Did you make advance tax payment or was there any tax withheld on any income slips?" select Yes. A chart will be displayed, featuring headings such as description and amount. Input the appropriate information into the relevant fields provided. Let's proceed with completing these fields using an example. Once done, we can view the detailed tax return summary. In the Credits section, you will find installments listed along with the deduction amount we previously entered. This indicates that the credit for tax installments has been successfully applied. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.